Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have KYC and GST. Now log in and open the Services module. Click Add Service and choose the correct SAC code. This determines tax and classification. Enter a short service title, the category, and basic delivery terms. Make sure to attach PAN and bank proofs where prompted. Once done, save as draft to validate fields. The portal flags missing data. You are starting the actual entry now, so focus on accuracy to avoid rework later. Now refine the service entry by explaining how you deliver it, scope, exclusions, milestones, and SLAs, so buyers know exactly what to expect. Configure pricing. Pick fixed price, hourly, or milestone billing. Enter base price, taxes, and any discounts. Attach scope sheets, certificates, and past performance files. Make sure file names are under the portal limit and in accepted formats. Once you complete these fields, preview the listing to confirm formatting and totals before moving to submission. When the entry looks correct, submit for GM verification. You will see an expected review timeline. Note it and plan follow-up. If the verifier raises queries, respond with corrected documents immediately and resubmit. This speeds approval. Once approved, publish the service and check the public listing for accuracy. If something fails, clear browser cache, try a different browser, re-upload files in allowed formats, and confirm all mandatory fields are filled. This single tip fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.